OpenClaw, the AI agent that went from 7,800 to 113,000 GitHub stars in 5 days, lets you text an AI assistant on WhatsApp that actually does things, booking flights, managing your calendar, automating emails. But there's a massive security problem. Traditional installation takes 2 hours and stores your Claude or ChatGPT API keys in plain text files. Within 48 hours of OpenClaw going viral, security researchers found hundreds of exposed installations leaking API keys, conversation histories, and OAuth tokens to the internet. Cisco AI researchers discovered 22 to 26% of OpenClaw skills, the plugin-like packages that add features, contain malware. They tested one that was the #1 ranked skill and found it was actively stealing credentials and sending your data to attacker servers silently without you knowing. Even worse, prompt injection attacks let malicious emails trick your OpenClaw agent into forwarding private files, deleting data, or leaking API keys. Researchers demonstrated this happening in under 2 minutes. Emergent, a Y Combinator-backed platform with 1.5 million users, just launched OpenClaw integration that fixes all of this. Installation takes under 2 minutes, no terminal commands, no API key exposure. Emergent stores your API keys in encrypted vaults that malicious skills can never access. OpenClaw runs in a sandbox with no ability to read your files, make unauthorized network calls, or execute destructive commands. And Emergent security reviews all skills before you can install them, blocking the 22% that contain malware. Stop playing with fire using traditional OpenClaw installation. Get the same AI agent autonomy with zero security nightmares through Emergent. Link in description.